Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Stremio from crashing. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first fix is to open up Task Manager. So right click on your Windows key, find Task Manager, there it is here. And now we want to go ahead and end task of Stremio. So go ahead and look for apps, Stremio here, right click it and go ahead and end task and then reopen up Stremio. Now the next fix is to clear Stremio cache. So on your keyboard, you want to hit your Windows key and R. This is going to open up run. And then from here, we need to go ahead and type in this prompt or code. So it's going to be app data Stremio cache. That should open it. No, it didn't. That's okay. What we can do is just go ahead and have %app data %, click on OK. And now a folder is going to appear like so. Look for Stremio, here it is here, and then just go ahead and click on delete. Now the next fix is to update Stremio to the latest version. So open up a web browser, go to Stremio. So just type in Stremio, make sure to spell it correctly, here it is here. So go ahead and click onto it, and now go ahead and download the latest version, and then just run that installer, and that's going to update your Stremio if there are any updates. Or alternatively, we can go ahead and go to add or remove programs. So to do that, we can type in add or remove programs, here it is here. So we can click onto that, or we can go ahead and go into settings, click onto apps, and then just simply find Stremio. Here it is here. Go ahead and uninstall it. Once you've uninstalled it, go ahead and run the Windows downloader installer for Stremio. Now also go ahead and check your storage on your computer. So now to do that, go ahead and type in settings. And then we need to go to system. And then to the right, look for storage. Here it is here. So now this is going to show you how much storage you have. We need at least 5 to 10 gigabytes free for Stremio to work properly. As you can see, I've used 362 gig of 463, so I'm pretty sweet there. Now if you're using any VPNs in the background, just go ahead and disable them because they can be causing issues, and also check internet connection. So we can go ahead and do so go to Google and then type in check internet speed, and make sure your internet speed is a-okay. So if you've got any dropouts, that's going to cause issues there too. So I suggest if you use a mobile data or Wi-Fi, just switch between the two to find the best internet connection.